Facial wax at home. Do you wax your facial hair regularly? Are you using the same waxing kit for your body and your face? We can imagine how troublesome the task is for you, as the skin on our face is much more delicate than the skin on other parts of our body, and we should never forget how sensitive it could turn during waxing. Hence, it is always good to use homemade mild sugar wax recipes for facial hair removal in order to pay close attention to your facial skin and take special care of it. Unwanted facial hair can be an embarrassing problem, especially for females. One of the quickest and longest-lasting hair removal techniques is waxing, which essentially involves ripping hair out from the roots in one swift motion. Waxes are readily available in almost any pharmacy or supermarket, but they can be expensive or even unsuitable for use on the face. A solution to the high price of store-bought wax is a homemade wax made from all natural ingredients. What is sugar wax? Sugar waxing, or sugaring, is a hair removal treatment that has been practiced for centuries throughout northern Africa, the Mediterranean, and the Middle East. Rather than using wax that adheres to your skin and pulls on it when you are removing the hair, sugar binds to the hair and pulls it out at the root. This makes it especially great for individuals with sensitive skin and peach fuzz because it's less likely to cause irritation. Ingredients: brown sugar, regular white sugar -1 tablespoon, raw honey 1 tablespoon, water 1 tablespoon, a microwave-safe bowl, a spatula, a few thin cloth strips. Instructions: pour all ingredients, i.e. brown sugar or white sugar, honey and water, into the microwave-safe bowl and place it inside the microwave oven. Cook the entire mixture for some time. To get the right consistency of your wax, you should cook the ingredient mixture for 30 to 35 seconds in microwave until it starts bubbling and turns brown in color. Remove the bowl from the heat and allow the wax to cool down. If you already have achieved the perfect consistency, you'll be ready to go. If not, add ingredients based on the thickness of the concoction and cook for some more minutes. Now, it's time for application. Take some homemade wax onto the spatula and apply to the facial hair you want to remove. Take a cloth strip and place it over the area where you have just applied the wax. Press firmly with your fingers and smooth out following the direction of growth of your facial hair. Then, pull the cloth swiftly, apply as sharp motion as possible, just in the opposite direction, reverse of your hair growth. Your movement should be firm enough and also keep it flowing. Repeat the application of wax and make use of the cloth strips one by one for getting rid of all the unwanted facial hair. Before applying your wax recipe, make sure to clean the area where you would be applying the mixture and allow it to dry. Always apply the mixture in the direction opposite to hair growth for better results. Always apply an ice cube or some fresh aloe vera gel to the waxed areas right after the procedure. It will reduce sensitivity and soothe the skin to a great extent. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.